there. Thank you for checking out the 6th grade art room. My name is Sharon Bernard and I'm the 6th grade art teacher here at Woodgate. If you heard my name before, I have been here for about 9 years teaching 5th grade art. So if your student was here last year, I most likely had them in 5th grade. I'm really excited to be teaching 6th grade and moving up with your student. I'm getting to see them grow and change as artists. A little bit about me, I went to UT Arlington. I studied fine arts. I graduated with a bachelor's in fine arts with concentrations in drawing and ceramics. I have loved teaching here at Midway. It's a dream come true. And I love to see students grow in their skills from elementary moving on up and then to see how far they take it. A few fun facts about the art room. You may have heard it already, but we have a mascot. His name is Bob Ross. And this little guy just kind of inspires us and keeps us motivated and having fun in the art room. So in art each day, your student spends the first part of the class using their time to sketch. Your student will need a sketchbook, Sharpies. We use a fine and ultra fine tip Sharpie very, very often, almost every day. So these are the supplies that they will be needing this year. And anything you can do to help them create and to express themselves will help them grow as an artist. So even if it's just sitting and doodling together, talking to them about their projects, it really helps them to be inspired and to take off in their creativity. So in 6th grade art, we start looking more into techniques, skill building, a little bit of art history, and really just building on what they've already learned in elementary. A lot of times in elementary, they're learning more technical things, how to use scissors, how to color. And in 6th grade, we start moving into how to refine those skills. So drawing skills, using color in certain ways, color theory. We also touch on different artists, art history, and seeing how it has affected the art world. So giving them chances to express themselves and then also to get ready for 7th grade art if they should choose. We have so much fun every day creating, and my purpose is that your student would be inspired, try new things, maybe things they have never done before. I never expect them to be amazing artists. I always want them to be artists who are brave and try new things and are not afraid of failing. That is what we focus on mostly in the art room. And as we do that, we build our skills and we become better artists. If you ever need to reach me, please feel free to email me at sharon.bernard@midwayisd.org. My conference time is from 12 to 12:45. And I look forward to speaking with you, and please let me know if there's any questions I can answer. Thank you so much for stopping by the art room and being a part of your students' art education.